But we are in chapter exercise 20F, question number 2. Question number 2 says from a solid cylinder. So a cylinder is drawn here. Dimension of cylinder is given. Height is given 16 meter. Considered as capital H. Radius of cylinder is given 12 centimeters, so 12 centimeter. What is given? A conical cavity is cut. So conical cavity is drawn here. Conical cavity radius is given 6 centimeter, and its height is given as 8 centimeter. So since radius and height is known, so we'll find out its slant height also. Slant height formula is h square plus r square, that is equal to 8 square plus 6 square, that is equal to 100, and square root of 100 will come out as 10. Now what is asked, if conical cavity is hollowed out, then you have to find out the volume of remaining solid. So to get the volume of remaining solid, what we'll do, from volume of cylinder we'll subtract volume of cone. Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h, and volume of cone formula is pi small r square h. So we'll take pi as common and we'll start putting the value. When we'll put the value, so radius is given 12 into 12 into h is given 16 minus pi have taken common, so 1 by 3. Radius of small cone is given 6 into 6, and height is given 8. And we'll do calculation. So after multiplication, this will come out as 22 by 7 into this value will come out as a 2304, and after cancellation 3 2 is 6, it will come out as 96. So it will be 22 by 7 into 2304 minus 96 will come out as 2208, and after solving you will get the result as 6939.43 centimeter cube. We are coming to the second part of question, where it is asked find the total surface area of remaining solid. Since solid is the cylinder is solid, so its total surface area will calculate, and from it will subtract this area of base of the cone, that is equal to pi r square. So total surface area of cylinder minus base area of cone, and since this portion is hollowed out and which is conical in shape, so its curved surface area we will add. So total surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi r plus h. Curved surface area of cone is pi r l minus area of base of cone is pi r square. We will take pi as common, so it is 2r into r plus h plus rl minus r square. We will put the value 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 2 into radius is given 12 into 12 plus 16 plus radius of cone is given 6 into slant height we have calculated as 10 minus small radius is given how much, 6 for the square. So it will be 22 by 7 into, after calculation this will come out as 672, this is 60, and this is 36. So it will come out as 22 by 7 into this one, 732 minus 36, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 696, and this will give you result as 2187.43 centimeter square. This will be your answer. Number 3, it says that it is talking about a circus tent which is cylindrical at bottom and conical at top. Cylindrical portion diameter is given as 105 meter, and height of cylindrical portion is 4 meter, whereas slant height of conical portion is given 80 meter. And question is asking how much area of canvas is required to make this tent. So to find out the area of canvas, what we'll do, we'll add curved surface area of this conical portion to curved surface area of this cylindrical portion. So curved surface area of conical part plus curved surface area of cylindrical part. Curved surface area of conical part is pi rl, and cylindrical part will be 2 pi rh. Pi I have taken common, so it is rl plus 2 into rh. We'll put the value pi, r is 105 by 2 into 80 plus 2 into radius is 105 by 2 and 4. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. This 2 is cancelling 80 how many times? 40 times. So it will come out as 4200 plus this will be how much? 420. After calculation it will come up, pi value will put 22 by 7 into 4620 this will cancel it how many times? It will cancel it 660 times. So multiplication will give you result as 14520 centimeters square. This is area of canvas required. Additional question in this question number is you have to find the total cost of canvas also to make the tent if it is sold at a rate of 15 rupees per meter, and width of that canvas is, which is rectangular in shape, is 1.5 meter. Means this is conical and this is made with the help of a rectangular piece whose width is given how much? 1.5 meter. And length is given, you have to find out its length, and rate is given 15 rupees 15 per meter. So what we'll do, we'll equate the area which we have calculated as, we have calculated the area of canvas. So here we'll write area of tent, surface area of tent is equal to area of canvas, and canvas is area is how much? Length into breadth, and surface area of tent already we have calculated 14520. So this will be equal to this much. So 14520 will be equal to, length we do not know, but breadth we will know that how much it is, 1.5. So to get the length, 14520 will be divided by this 1.5, and length of that tent is coming out as 968 meters. Since we want to find out cost, so cost will be rate into length. So rate is how much? 15 rupees per meter into 968 rupees. So your answer, it will come out as, after one zero is there, we will remove the decimal, it will come as 9680 meter. So it will be 15 rupees into 9680 rupees, and that will be how much? 1,45,200 rupees. This is the cost of canvas. Question number 10. Question number 10 is talking about a cross section of railway tunnel. So tunnel cross section is given here. Lower part is a rectangle, upper part is curved. Means this is semicircle. So this one is given 6 and this height is given 8 meter. A length of tunnel I have drawn, figure is up to this much. I have drawn to show you tunnel 3-dimensionally. So its length is almost 35 meter, and you have to find out that you have to find out how much area to be plastered, and rate of plastering is given at the rate of ₹2 25 paisa per meter square. So at first we'll find out how much is the area to be plastered. So it has right side wall, left side wall, vertical walls are there, its area will calculate, and this upper portion, which is half of the cylinder, its area will find out. So internal surface area will be area of this side wall, that is equal to 2 into L into B, and upper portion is cylindrical, so it will be pi r into h. Since radius is 6 centimeter, this is 6, so radius will be 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So circumference, this circumference will be come out as pi r, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 3. It will come out as 66 by 7 meter. So 2 into length is given. This is this one into this one. So this will be 8 into how much? 35 plus this is 22 by 7 into pi r into h is given. So pi r already we have calculated, 66 by 7 into this one 35. So what we'll take, we'll do 35 as taken as common. So 2 just 16 is left, and it is 66 by 7. So it will be 35, and after calculation this value will come out as 178 by 7. 7 will cancel this 35 5 times. Your answer will come out as 890 meters square. Since we want cost, so cost of plastering will be rate into area. So rate is 2 rupees 25 paisa, and area we have calculated 890 meters square. So your answer will come out as rupees 2,002 rupees and 61 paisa. This is your answer. So we are in question number 12. This figure is actually representing the cross section of a water channel through which water is flowing. So lower portion is semicircular, upper portion is rectangular. And it is asked that if water is flowing at the rate of how much, 20 centimeter per second, so how much water will flow through this channel in 1 minute? 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 seconds. So at first we'll try to find out the surface area of this one, cross section area of this one. So to get cross section area of this channel, what we'll do, we'll find out area of this rectangular portion plus this semicircular portion. So this area is length into breadth 21 to 7, and this semicircular portion area is half into pi r square. So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. This is 21 centimeter. So radius will be half of this. So it is 147. It after calculation it will come out as 693 by 4. When we'll add these two, we'll get 1281 centimeter square by 4. Now since you have to find out how much water is flowing through it, so at first we'll calculate how much distance water will cover at the rate of 20 centimeter per second in how much minute? 1 second. So since we know the distance is equal to how much? Speed into time. So speed is 20 and time is 1 minute means 60 seconds. 20 into 6, it will be 1200 centimeter. So volume of water flowing through this channel in how many minutes? 1 minute will be its cross section area plus its height, that is equal to 1200 centimeter. So CSA already we have calculated 1281 by 4 into 1200. 4 will cancel. This one 1200 300 times. So result will come out as 3 centimeter cube. And we will try to convert in meter cube. So it will be 384,300 divided by 1 with how many zeros? 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0 meter cube. So it will come out as 0.3843 centimeter cube. So in approximation, we'll write it as 0.4 meter cube. This is the amount of water which will flow through this channel in how many time? How much time is given? 1 minute.